Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between quality assurance and quality control. The major elements of the quality management are quality assurance and quality control. Quality assurance assures that the right production process is performed in the right manner. Quality control, on the other hand, ensures that the product will match the requisite standard. So, let's look into the basic differences between quality assurance and quality control in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Quality assurance is the process which guarantees that the preferred level of quality is fulfilled in the product or service at each phase of the process, whereas quality control is the technique which ensures that the product quality is as per the set standards. Number 2. Quality assurance is proactive, which is just opposite of the quality control because quality assurance takes place at the time of development of the product, but the quality control takes place after the final product is produced. Number 3. Quality assurance keeps focusing on process, whereas the product is the main focus of quality control. Number 4. Quality assurance protects the product from defects, whereas quality control detects and sort out the defects in the product. Number 5. Quality assurance is a preventive action, whereas quality control is a corrective measure. Number 6. Quality assurance is a verification activity, whereas quality control is a validation activity. Number 7. Quality assurance is a staff function, which is not in the case of quality control. Number 8. In quality assurance, quality is created during the designing phase. On the contrary, in quality control, quality is created at the control stage. And difference number 9. Quality assurance lays emphasis on the customer, however, quality control lays emphasis on standards,